Underrated stocks to invest in 2022. Number 5, Philip Morris. Despite the fact that the number of active smokers worldwide continues to decline, tobacco stocks remain a solid investment. Philip Morris, the world's second largest tobacco company after state-owned China Tobacco, is at the forefront of this. Philip Morris is the company behind some of the most well-known tobacco brands in the market. Importantly, stable stocks like Philip Morris can be held in your portfolio for the long term, regardless of how the broader economy performs. After all, tobacco is a product that consumers want throughout all economic cycles. Furthermore, to counteract falling per capita demand, Philip Morris does what all major tobacco companies do: it raises its prices. Furthermore, Philip Morris employs a high cash transient business model. As of this reading, the company offers a 5% running yield. Another important metric to consider about Philip Morris is that its Marlboro brand dominates emerging markets. Countries and emerging markets, unlike Western regions such as the United States and Europe, do not regulate smoking in the same way. Furthermore, Philip Morris's management is devoting more resources to IQOS products. Number 4, Coinbase. Coinbase is another option if you're looking for the most undervalued stock in 2022. In a nutshell, Coinbase is a crypto exchange based in the United States that serves tens of millions of consumers worldwide. The platform was founded in 2012 and will be listed on the Nasdaq in April 2021. Coinbase, which chose a direct listing, drew a lot of attention from growth stock investors in the run-up to its much-anticipated IPO. However, despite opening at $342, Coinbase stock has since moved in the wrong direction. In fact, as of this writing, the shares are trading for slightly more than $150. This means that the value of Coinbase stock has more than halved since its IPO. Having said that, we believe that the current stock market decline is unjustified. After all, Coinbase is the world's second largest cryptocurrency exchange, trailing only Binance. Coinbase makes money regardless of how the broader crypto markets perform because, like traditional stockbrokers, it earns money through commission fees. As a result, Coinbase can profit whether the crypto industry is bullish or bearish. Number 3, Lucky Block. Lucky Block is also our current top pick for one of the most undervalued assets on the market. Although Lucky Block is a cryptocurrency rather than an equity, the token is currently trading at a discount, which provides a path to outsized gains. Furthermore, the fact that Lucky Block is a digital currency makes it simple to diversify your portfolio. Lucky Block is a cutting-edge crypto NFT platform that facilitates NFT-based competitions. Users must purchase NFTs in order to participate and be eligible to win prizes. The prizes range from luxury cars to watches to PS5 consoles. Lucky Block was listed on PancakeSwap in January 2022 and quickly increased by over 3,000%, reaching an all-time high of 0.009617. However, this high was fleeting and the token went on to lose roughly 70% of its value in the weeks that followed. Although this may appear to be a negative, it actually results in Lucky Block being relatively undervalued in comparison to similar tokens. Numerous exciting upgrades are planned for the near future that are expected to increase the value of L-Block. The long-awaited release of Lucky Block's iOS and desktop apps, which will allow L-Block holders to begin receiving dividend payments, is one of them. Number 2, Battle Infinity. Battle Infinity does not fall under the same traditional stock umbrella as the other assets on our list, but it is without a doubt the most undervalued. The developers combine gaming with the metaverse, resulting in a tamper-proof ecosystem that integrated gaming elements with the virtual world. Players build teams to compete in the battle arena at the heart of Battle Infinity, but they can also access 5 other platforms. Battle Market, BattleSwap, and BattleStake are among the platforms available. BattleSwap acts as a decentralized exchange, allowing players to purchase the platform's native token, IBAT, and exchange rewards for other currencies. IBAT is used across all platforms and allows players to explore the metaverse while playing this play-to-earn game. This BEP20 token was created using the Binance Smart Chain and can be used in the BattleStake to compete with other players for a higher annual percentage yield. Other applications for the coin include advertising billboards within the Battle Infinity program, as well as transaction fees added to the staking pool of the platform. Players collect IBAT and contribute to the ecosystem by making it more efficient by playing Battle Infinity. This is a way to invest early in the native token of an NFT-based metaverse game rather than an NFT presale. Number 1, IMPT. IMPT allows investors to align themselves with publicly traded companies and popular retailers concerned about the environment. It is a blockchain project that has partnered with a number of companies to allow individuals to support organizations that are attempting to reduce their carbon footprint. IMPT allows investors to choose from hundreds of projects that want to leave a positive environmental footprint. Investing in the IMPT token is the first step toward making a difference. Investors can also earn tokens by shopping at retailers with whom IMPT has a partnership. Businesses that are environmentally conscious can earn points by incorporating the IMPT platform into their operations. According to the IMTP white paper, tokens can be converted into carbon credits. Carbon credits can be purchased, sold, or retired by investors.